This amplifier was installed in my 5th gen 4Runner. This is the passenger seat. So I ran the power wire from the firewall. There's a gasket up there at the kick panel. Ran it down here and through here. Comes out right here. So my power's in there. My wires, RCA's. I have the speaker wire out. Ground goes up in here. So my speaker wire and RCA's and the ground go up in here. Just inside here, there's a bolt. I just put the ground there, and then I ran the speaker wires and RCA's up into behind my T10. And I'll show you how I wired that too. I followed Cayman Smith's PDF to add the rear RCA's to the C terminal. Took the extras from the A terminal, and then I have my fronts left and right, and then these are my rear left and right. And then mine had the CVBS in connected to it, so all I did was take that pin out as well and taped it off. I ran my wires, RCA's, there along there, goes down the side under the passenger seat. I also put my ground for the amplifier right there too, it was easier. And then I have my speaker wire right here that goes back up into behind the dash right here, and I'll connect that to the speakers. Okay, so final wiring. What I did is I ran the speaker wire up from underneath the center console up to here, and then I cut off on the T10 harness side. So basically cut there and then spliced in all the speaker wires going out. You match the colors. I'll put color code in the description so you know which ones go to which speakers. So when you wire your amplifier, you can wire it properly, so then your fade still works properly. The remote wire I tapped in right here with my anytime camera. This little red wire right here from the main harness is 12 volt when the radio is turned on, so that's what I wanted to use for the remote wire. I don't have a subwoofer right now, but the subwoofer one is the green one. I'm debating on doing that later on, but for now I have my 6x9s in the door, 6.5s in the rear doors and the hatch, and it has a pretty good amount of bass, but I might fiberglass a box or do something like that. I'm not sure if the under seat powered subwoofer would be enough for what I like compared to 6x9s.